Okay, lesson 2, equivalent expressions. So we're going to start by learning how to identify coefficients, variables, and exponents. So an exponent is an indication of how many times something repeats. How many repeated multiplications of a base? How many repeated multiplications of a base? So we've been dealing with that all last unit. Okay, so in some of these examples, we're going to identify a coefficient, the variable, and the exponent of the variable. Okay, so the first one is the expression 3w. The coefficient was the 3. The variable was the w. And the exponent is 1. Why is it 1? Because if you have a w, that's really that. I just would never write that. Okay? Okay, it's the same thing. As a coefficient, I wouldn't ever write 1x. I would just write x. So in math, a lot of the times, when you don't see something like that, just a 1. Okay, coefficient. What's the multiplier in the front?
A.
Actually, a is the variable.
Nothing.
Okay, there's nothing there, but what is implied that's there? 1. How many a squareds do you have? 1. And what's the exponent? 2.
You have 2 a's, and they got multiplied by each other by 1 time.
Right. Coefficient. So that's -4. What are the variables? X and a y. What's the exponent on x? 1. What's the exponent on y? 1.
So, is it 2?
No. I'm just going to leave it like that, 1, 1. I'm not sure in your work if they would put that together or what. Yeah. Coefficients. What's the number in the front? Multiplying? -1. The variable is g. And what's the exponent on top of the g? 1. Okay, go ahead. I need you to fill this thing out on your own. I'll give you like 30 seconds. Okay, so here are your answers. This has a -1 multiplier, an x variable, and a 1 exponent. This has no number in the front, so it is a 1. The variable is b, and the exponent on top of the 1. So 1b1, that's what it really is. But I never write 1 times something, and I never write the exponent 1. And your last one should be 7, S, and a T, a 1, and a 2.
Oh, I get it.
Why is there a 1?